How I improve my speaking skills. Improving your speaking skills takes practice, dedication, and a strategic approach. Here are some tips to help you enhance your speaking abilities. Practice regularly. Speak as much as possible. Practice with native speakers or language exchange partners to gain exposure to different accents and styles. Join language meetups, clubs, or conversation groups to create regular opportunities for speaking. Record yourself. Record your speeches or conversations and listen to them. Identify areas for improvement such as pronunciation, intonation, and pacing. Expand your vocabulary. Learn new words and phrases regularly. This will help you express yourself more precisely and fluently. Read aloud. Read books, articles, or any written material aloud. This helps improve pronunciation, intonation, and overall fluency. Watch and mimic. Watch movies, TV shows, or videos in the language you're learning. Pay attention to the native speaker's pronunciation, intonation, and expressions. Try to mimic them. Engage in conversations. Engage in conversations with native speakers whenever possible. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process. Take language classes. Enroll in language classes, either online or in person. This structured learning environment can provide guidance and opportunities for practice. Use language learning apps. Many language learning apps offer speaking exercises. Utilize these tools to practice speaking and receive feedback. Focus on pronunciation. Pay attention to the pronunciation of individual sounds in the language. Practice difficult sounds and pay special attention to stress patterns. Set realistic goals. Set achievable goals for yourself. Whether it's speaking for a certain amount of time each day or mastering specific topics, having clear objectives will keep you motivated. Seek feedback. Ask for feedback from native speakers, teachers, or language exchange partners. Constructive criticism can help you identify areas for improvement. Be patient and persistent. Improving speaking skills takes time, so be patient with yourself. Consistency and persistence are key to success. Remember, the key is to immerse yourself in the language as much as possible and practice regularly. Over time, you'll see improvement in your speaking skills.